Ever wonder how a single line of code can make a machine do incredible things? Today we will unfold the magic of Python programming where your little ideas come alive with just a few keystrokes. Python, not named after the snake but a British comedy series Monty Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. You ask why? It's simple, versatile, and incredibly powerful, making it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. What is Python? It is a high level interpreted programming language. High level means it's user friendly and closer to human language. Interpreted means it runs directly from the source code without the need for prior compilation. Imagine you are a chef and Python is your kitchen. Just as the kitchen has different tools and ingredients, Python has variables, data types, and operators. Variables are like containers, they store data. Data types are types of data you store like numbers, text, or even a list of items. Operators are the actions you can perform on these variables like addition, subtraction, or checking if two items are equal. Suppose you want to store a number, say 10. In Python, you would write a equal sign 10, where a is a variable and 10 is the data. You just told the Python to store a number 10 in a container named a. Easy, isn't it? Python also allows you to make decisions using something called conditions. Think of it as a crossroads. You can tell Python to take one path if the condition is true and another path if it is not. It's like telling your program if it's raining, carry an umbrella, otherwise wear sunglasses. And then there are loops. Loops are Python's way of repeating a task multiple times. It's like telling Python jump 5 times and Python being the obedient servant as it is, it will jump 5 times. Finally, Python has something called functions. Functions are bundle of code that perform specific tasks. It's like having a mini program within your program, like telling Python every time I say greet, say hello world. To wrap up, Python is a powerful programming language that's easy to learn and fun to use. Remember, the key to mastering Python, like any other skill, is practice. So roll up your sleeves, fire up your computer, and start coding.